Good evening everybody, and welcome to lockdown day 27. Firstly, for those of you who are following my videos via Facebook, I apologise for the late posting of the video this morning. I forgot all about it, but somebody prompted me, so I put that up about I don't know, sometime early evening, late afternoon, something like that. I can't remember now, but it went up late anyway, so sorry about that. So, last night I mentioned that I'd seen the Water Vole, and this morning when I went to collect the camera from the field, I thought, right, I'm going to start the video recording, and I'm going to quietly make my way down to the stream, the little bridge. And as I approach the bridge, well, take a look. So yeah, it wasn't the water vole after all, it was the rat. Pink tail, pink feet, pink ears. So yeah, it was the rat, unfortunately. That doesn't mean to say I hadn't seen the water vole previously, but thinking about it, I think I'd only seen it flash past. I hadn't had a proper chance to look at it. But having slowed the film down, I realised, that it was a rat and not a water vole. But never mind, probably the same rat that was pinching all the cocktail sausages several nights ago. So I collected the camera this morning. It was I got up a little bit early this morning. I woke up earlier, so I thought I might as well just get up. So it was about 6:10 when I got up, and the field was a lot of dew on the grass, a lot of dew on the camera as well actually. But I collected the camera, switched it off, checked the bait had gone. So I thought, ooh, signs are good. Got back home, checked the footage, nothing, not a thing. So, but thinking about it, I think I've set the camera a little bit too far back in the field. So tonight I'm going to put it a little bit closer to the trodden path and a little bit closer to the sort of the bushes where the rabbits sort of rush into when they see you. So that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. You can see the gooseberries starting to form there now. They'll be getting bigger soon. Be able to try them soon. Cool. So I've been playing around with the Wild Game Tracker app today. I did mention, I think it was last night, that I wanted to be able to edit the date on the markers when you place them on the sort of satellite image or the map, but it wouldn't let me do it. So what I did is I found an email in the support section of the app, and it was a guy in America. I emailed him, didn't hold out much hope, but within the hour he'd replied, and it wasn't like a robot generated email. It was a proper email from the guy. He said on the Android app you can actually do that, you can actually edit the date, but on the iOS version, the iPhones, you can't. But it is on his to-do list, and he's going to sort of push that up his list to try and get that done sooner rather than later. So I thought that was really good of him, and good support. So that's looking good. The app is predominantly sort of tailored for the US market, but it still has everything that we have, the foxes and the badgers, squirrels, pheasants, all that kind of stuff. So it'll do for me. So we'll see if he updates the app, and I'll be able to amend the dates then on all the markers that I've put on. And what I can also do, which I didn't realise, and he told me this as well, is you can add little notes in there. So if I can put a marker down for a fox, but if it's just a scent marking, I can just tag it as scent marking or droppings or something like that. So I can really start to build up a good little picture. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using that app. And I might do a little feature on it as well in a future video. So look out for that one. Right, I'm using the wind reducer sock on my phone again tonight. Quite a few of you commented on last night's video saying that it did make a difference, even though it wasn't that windy. It was a little bit windy, but not as bad as the night before. But yeah, every now and again there's quite a bit of a gust tonight, so it should be making a difference. So I shall be using that in future. So thank you for all your feedback on that one. I don't know what they are. Let me know if you know what they are. Leave a comment. There's quite a lot of them there. Yeah, let me know what they are. Right, okay, we're just about finished our walk now. We're just heading back to the field before it gets too dark, so I can set the camera ready for tomorrow morning. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. I can't give you a thumbs up because I'm carrying the tripod with the camera on it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is up there, or the one down in the description box. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. Right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.